Hi, boys and girls. Okay, so this Thursday and Friday, you will be looking at this video so that you can know what to do for art this week. We're gonna be working in our rooms, so you guys are gonna be working on your own. So we are working on landscape art. That's any kind of picture of things that are outside. This is an example of a landscape drawing, and that's what we're making this week. Landscapes fill up the paper. Just like all of our art, we want to fill up the page and make it interesting to look at. And you also have 3 things that you're trying to learn this week. We're starting to learn about the names of the parts of a landscape, and that goes foreground, middle ground, and background. Foreground is in the bottom part of the picture, and it is the closest part. And you put it down low and you make things bigger. So we have 2 hills right here, and the road right here is the closest. It's bigger than this road, and this road is a little bit skinnier than this road. So as it goes up, it gets smaller. Foreground is big. The middle ground is just like it sounds. It's in the middle. It's everything in the middle, and it's about middle-sized, right? And then the background is everything up high, and it's really far away. So when you see some trees right here that are middle-sized, and then you see some teeny tiny trees back here. I put those to emphasize that things are getting smaller. It's a trick that artists use to make people think that there's distance in artwork, and that's what we're trying to show. So we're learning that it's called a landscape and that we're using foreground, middle ground, and background. So here's the picture that looks a lot like the video. There's a draw along video that I want you to look at. And you can pause it and start it again as you draw. And it makes a picture just about like this if you follow it, but you can make it your own. You can change the kinds of trees that you make, or put the mountains in a different way, change your sky. Maybe it's night, maybe it's a sunset or a sunrise, maybe there's a rainbow. You can add any other elements you want to add to your picture, and make sure you put your name on it and color it if you can, okay? So you want to turn that in the Art Google Classroom. I can't wait to see what you create. Be sure and watch the video, and that'll help you do the project correctly. And we'll talk about your art next week when I see you at your regular class time next week, okay? Good job, guys. See you later.